Hello, good morning guys. Late breakfast, luto pa karon. Late hindi tayo. So, ang luto na to karon is ay, ang luto na to karon guys na kay bali. Specialty corned beef. Tayo. Okay, so later we'll be eating together with my son. Yeah. Late enjoy kayo guys na pagwan. Ang una mo naman paglaba ay mismo kaon. At least not for example, dapat kaon ito sakto na guys no. Before ta mo laban today. Okay. So, muna kayo. No need to mention the menu because one, wala. Corned beef, yes, breakfast, but it's already past uh, 10. So, doon na sa lunch. And again, as I've said, it's not really for a late breakfast. Together with my son, wala pa kaon, nagduwa. So, kumayo guys. Kumayo nga na yun. So, karon sa pagluto na ko guys, no? Okay. No, normal nga pag-isa. I have this one, onions. I put ginger. Ginger na kay the purpose of ginger. Ginger. Yes, yes. Wala sa baho. Pero, the benefits this one may mag-go, diba? Based, if you will read more of the about the ginger history, so hopefully this will be pero it will help sa katong naglayan tiyan sama na ko gapon nag-LBM ko niya. So ko kay Lizzy ito na yung tubo no. Okay, natay tuloy and yes, we'll be back later after this one sa akong pag-slice sa mga para igisa sagol. No other kan. Yes, I was gonna put egg also. Egg sa ato ang kan. Ito. Okay. So be back for after sa akong slices para diretso na ko. Yes, I'll be cooking also one of your favorite food sa akong sa akuan. The sunny side up sa akong. Okay. So, big na itong tummy. Okay, be back later. Okay. Okay, so ano guys no sa ato cook. Ready to cook na itong ban. So, nagkuhan ko rin sa English. We have the ginger and onions a while ago. Today, yes. Ayan. This is how I cook. I put more lamas. Sa naalay. Kawanan natin budget for the lamas. Which is mahal na kaya ron. Okay. So, for this guys, I'll be cooking egg. Sunny side up for myself. And so next is I hear the garlic, ginger, onions. So for my next, which is corned beef. Thanks God. Thank you for a while guys. Nagkarang awal. Medyo meat. put the ginger first. Layo ka. Wala yung kabutangan guys na sa ito ang itong stuff sa itong minute. So, next is just stir brown. Yes. The onions. Then get the garlic. Last garlic. So, umot na siya guys. This is how I cook sa ato ang burn beef nila na kuwan. Wait for a while mag-cook. Yep. I put some seasoning ready, and then yes, I have also prepared this one sa kuan during sa atong breakfast, since it's breakfast. Okay, let's see guys sa ato ang cook. Okay, we have here, okay, as you can see. Okay. Putting up now the corned beef. You can see it, hanggang na mix. And yeah, we'll just settle for a while dito sa kung ano. Tingin sa itong giloto. And later, after we have put up this everything, I'm gonna put some additional nga karang para ingon lang dili dood. So yes, I prepared egg, and the seasoning, and yes, for this one also I'm gonna put that there. And I'm looking for sugar, so I put up a little bit of sugar. It's a brown sugar, not the white one. Wala ko na gamit og white guys no, usually. And here we go, setting. Anyway, wait na sila ito lang mix it maayo na. And let's put up. Usually guys, I woke up late. Kung na work na ko, dili ko kubawan lagi.